guys, this is my bike check. 2014 bike check. I've got federal bar ends, both sides. Federal grips, both sides. Or a grip, both sides. I've got eclat after charge bars in chrome. They've got 8.5 rise and they're 24 wide. But I do recommend them, they're brilliant. They're freaking brilliant. I've got an xposure. Oh shit, I just realised that. I've got an xposure top load stem, which they are excellent. I have got, I don't know what top cap it is, but yeah, it's just a normal hardware bolt up there. It's quite good because it's got 6mm. It's quite good because it's got 6mm bolts there and on top, so it's okay. We can turn it upside down and make it a bottom load bolt stem. So that's quite good. I've got 2 headset spacers. I've got the original headset that came with my complete bike. I've got the original bottom cup. I've got my original forks. Forks are okay in this, but in the future my bike might be a chrome and purple bike. I don't know about that, but that's what I'd like it to be in the future. So I'll have chrome forks, purple headset and chrome frame, so that will be brilliant. Silver spacers, chrome spacers, and this stem. I've got a blank select tyre on the front, which they are brilliant. Lasted me about a year and a half. It's still going brilliant. I've got the original hub and rim that came with it. Ow, just hit my face. My bar end. Ow. My dusties are rockets. Don't have to buy the rockets, I just got rockets and they look cool. So I got them. My tyre is 46 PSI, I think. No, 40 PSI. Same as the back. 40 PSI. I've got my bald patch tyre that originally came with the bike. I've got a spinning B32 back hub. BMX freestyle double wall, which is holding up brilliantly. I've got a Cardinal back hub, which is brilliant. They're excellent. Dead beefy axle, won't snap. For my chain, it's the original chain that came with the bike. 4 years ago, which is brilliant. Still holding up. I want to go to a half link chain though. Some people say they're stronger than this chain. I don't know if this chain's a 2-link. I don't know. I don't have a clue. I'm not into that stuff. I don't revise chains. My sprocket is the same one that came with it. My cranks are the same one that came in the complete. So are my pedals. Rideukbmx pedals are okay. Supposed to be an oddity twisty pedal, so I don't know if that's still going to happen. I've got mongoose cranks, mongoose sprockets, mongoose chain, mongoose seat post, mongoose seat clamp. Pardon me. I've got a mongoose seat. Possibly getting one of the fat cult ones, or the fat shark conspiracy ones, or the federal ones with the wee badge on the side, the Allen key in the middle. Yeah. So, just to recap, most of the stuff I've got on this is the complete bike. I used to have a an exposure tanned wall on the back, but it burst because my wee friend lit a fag in the ground and I went over it by accident. Yeah, the only thing that's changed is my dust caps, my tyre, my rims, my tyre, my rim, my grips, my bars, and my stem. Nothing much has changed. Like a tiny bit of rust on this side. I've got paint coming off this side. Sorry guys, I'm making a lock it. Cost me. Yeah, I've got lots of BMX stickers, BMX. Good dream, but that's why that's on there, because I do that and all. BMX. In about a year's time I want to upgrade to an integrated frame. Keep all my stuff, but get like a purple or chrome integrated frame, which would look brilliant. Or raw this frame, or chrome this frame actually. Sorry, that's the kids in the background. My kids, but other kids. They suck. Yeah. Polish this frame. Take this apart. Take the paint off of it. Take all the stickers off of it. Raw it out. Put paint remover all over it. Raw it out. Keep it raw. I'll polish it. And it would look brilliant. See if I could cut this off. Bottom. Otherwise it'll look fantastic. Let's get these bits. Don't mind that bit because that's not thingy, but that I don't like. It's a bike and it holds up. So I'll try and do a fakie on camera because I can't do them on camera, but I'll try and do it. Place the bike down, come round. Put it round about there. Try and do a fakie on camera guys, but Hope it'll happen, but it won't. Hey, told you it won't happen on camera. Right, I'll try one more and then rate and subscribe and comment in the comment section. See, I almost got it, but I didn't. Right, start with the hodges again. No. One last try. I can do them, but I can't do them on camera. Right. I suck it, right? Yeah, done one on camera. I'm putting it down. Right. Guys, like, rate, subscribe, comment if you want me to do another bike check when I get new parts. Oh, supposedly I will when I upload it, but yeah. Tell me if I should, tell me in the comments if I should chrome my frame, polish my frame. Yeah, I should be filming some more stuff, like Minecraft and everything, but I don't know. And yeah, peace out, YOLOs. Nah.